Wormholes, the mysterious shortcuts through spacetime that could, in theory, transport us across galaxies in the blink of an eye. But could we actually survive the journey? Or would the forces inside rip us apart? Let's dive into the science behind one of the most mind-bending concepts in physics. First proposed in 1916 and later popularized by Einstein and Rosen, wormholes, or Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical passages through spacetime. They connect two distant points in space, allowing near-instantaneous travel. But are they real? So far, we've never detected a wormhole, but solutions in Einstein's equations suggest they could exist under extreme conditions. The problem? They might not be naturally stable. Let's say we find a wormhole. What happens when we try to enter? Gravity near the entrance could be extreme. If it's a Schwarzschild wormhole, it collapses too quickly for anything to pass through. But if it's a traversable wormhole, hypothetically held open by exotic matter, it could allow safe passage. Exotic matter, with negative energy density, could theoretically prevent the wormhole from collapsing. But we've never observed or created it. If we can harness it, we might just have a ticket to interstellar travel. Even if a wormhole stays open, the tidal forces inside could be extreme. In some models, you'd be stretched and crushed by gravitational forces, spaghettified like falling into a black hole. However, certain theoretical constructs, like the Morris-Thorne wormhole, suggest a smooth ride could be possible under the right conditions. Radiation is another concern. Quantum effects near the wormhole could generate intense bursts of energy, potentially frying electronics and organic life forms. Advanced shielding or manipulation of quantum fields would be necessary for survival. If we make it through, where do we end up? A wormhole could connect distant regions of our own universe, or even link entirely different universes. Some theories suggest a wormhole might act as a time machine, allowing for time travel under the right conditions. If we make it through, where do we end up? A wormhole could connect distant regions of our own universe, or even link entirely different universes. Some theories suggest a wormhole might act as a time machine, allowing for time travel under the right conditions. So, could we survive a trip through a wormhole? The short answer: not yet. We don't even know if they exist, let alone how to safely travel through one. But if we ever unlock the secrets of wormholes, the universe, and perhaps time itself, may be within our reach. What do you think? Could wormholes be our gateway to the stars, or are they forever out of reach? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding content.